Are you looking for the best rolling pins? Top 5 picks for effortless baking? Rolling pins are essential tools in any kitchen, but with the growing popularity of home baking, more people, both novices and seasoned bakers, are seeking the perfect pin. From precision dough control to comfortable handling, choosing the right rolling pin makes a noticeable difference. In this guide, we evaluate top-rated options based on
Product number 1. Geesta Adjustable Wood Rolling Pin with 5 thickness rings. The Geesta Adjustable Wood Rolling Pin is a smart choice for bakers who prioritize precision. Designed with 5 removable thickness rings, ranging from 2mm to 10mm, this rolling pin ensures consistent dough every time. Perfect for cookies, pizza, and pie crusts. Crafted from solid beechwood, it features a central measurement guide engraved into the wood for easy scaling. The ergonomic handles provide a firm grip, while the adjustable rings help eliminate guesswork and uneven rolling. Users love how it combines the classic feel of wood with modern functionality. If you're looking for an all-purpose rolling pin with an upgrade in accuracy, this one strikes the right balance between tradition and innovation.
Product number 2. Fox Run Polished Marble Rolling Pin with Wooden Cradle, 10-inch barrel. The Fox Run Polished Marble Rolling Pin delivers both elegance and performance. Featuring a sleek 10-inch white marble barrel, it remains cool to the touch, ideal for rolling pastry dough without sticking. Its natural weight and smooth surface require less pressure, giving you better control with minimal effort. Wooden handles offer a comfortable grip, and the included wooden cradle ensures safe storage. A favorite among pastry chefs, this rolling pin adds a touch of luxury to any kitchen while being incredibly functional. While it may be heavier than wooden options, that extra weight is a big plus when tackling tough doughs.
Product number 3. Walfos Marble Rolling Pin with wooden handles and wood cradle, 16.5 inches. If you're seeking a professional-grade rolling pin for larger batches, the Walfos Marble Rolling Pin is a standout. Measuring 16.5 inches in total with a long marble barrel, this rolling pin is ideal for pizza dough, pastry, and more. The marble surface stays naturally cool, which prevents dough from sticking and maintains butter integrity in laminated doughs. Its solid wood handles provide a strong and stable grip, while the accompanying cradle keeps it safe and clean when stored. The extended length makes it ideal for rolling out larger sheets of dough without the need for constant repositioning.
Product number 4. Farberware Classic Wood Rolling Pin, 18-inch hardwood. The Farberware Classic Wood Rolling Pin is a timeless, no-frills option built for everyday use. Made from durable hardwood, it features a long 18-inch barrel and ball-bearing handles that ensure smooth, even rolling. Ideal for pizza, pie, and cookie dough, this rolling pin delivers consistent results with minimal resistance. Its simplicity and reliability have made it a staple in many home kitchens. While it lacks the adjustability of modern pins, its straightforward design is perfect for those who appreciate classic kitchen tools. Plus, it's budget-friendly without compromising performance.
Product number 5. Muso Wood Wooden French Rolling Pin for baking. For those who prefer a minimalist, tactile approach to baking, the Muso Wood French Rolling Pin is a dream. Made from beautiful sapelli hardwood, this tapered pin gives you maximum control over dough thickness and direction. Its 15-inch size and smooth, non-stick finish make it ideal for rolling fondant, pastry dough, and even handmade pasta. Unlike handled pins, the tapered design lets you apply pressure more precisely, which many experienced bakers prefer. It's lightweight, elegant, and crafted with attention to detail. This is the go-to pin for anyone who values finesse and craftsmanship in their baking tools.